So for my math and show and teach, I got the subject of modular arithmetic. In modular arithmetic, a number wraps around after hitting some limit, which can be kind of confusing. So the way to think about it is think of a clock. After the hand hits 12, instead of the clock going on to 13, 14, 15, it instead goes back to 1. These are the equations for modular arithmetic. There is multiplication and division, which kind of go hand in hand, as you can switch it around for either that you have to do, and then the addition and subtraction. An example of modular arithmetic is 8 mod 4. And the way to do the problem is you would make a little picture of sorts, and when there's a mod of 4, you would make a clock with the numbers 0, 1, 2, and 3, because you always do one less than whatever the mod is, which is 4 in this case, and you must start at 0 like you would with pretty much everything else, and go through 8 numbers in clockwise sequence, or go around the clock, in parentheses, in a clockwise sequence 8 times. And once you've done that, you would end at 0, so the answer to 8 mod 4 is 0. Okay, as many of us have a scientific calculator, I found a way to make life simpler as well. So on your calculator, you would click on Math, as I've circled in picture number 1, scroll over to NUM, scroll down to 0, which should say remainder, comma, as I've shown in picture 2, hit enter, type 8, 4, and close the parentheses, and then hit enter, as I've shown in picture 3, and I've numbered every button just to make it even more simpler. And if you've entered everything correctly, you should get the answer of 0. So I just decided to add in just 2 examples to just show again how it would work. So in the example 1 would be using division. So 13 mod 5, you would do, of course, 13 divided by 5, and you get 2 remainder 3, and remainder 3 would be your answer, because in this case what you're looking for is the remainder. And then in the second one is the property of addition. So the problem is 14 plus 17 mod 5. So you would add that together to get 31, and then you do either the first example I showed you, which was with the clock type picture, or how to do it on a scientific calculator, as I showed you in the slide after that, and you would get 1 as your answer. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you're going through quarantine okay. I know I am slowly losing my mind here, but I hope all is well, and I hope you have a good day and a great summer.